Okay, let's move on and let's talk technicals. We've got Shilpa Rout, Nooresh Merani joining in the show right now. Both of you, hi, morning. Nooresh, if I could come to you, what is the recovery yesterday telling you? You think it's sustainable, looking at the global screen too?
So yesterday was a quick recovery on expected lines. We went down, tested the gap at 20,950 to 21,074 and recovered from that band and recovered really well. So this indicates that we are now getting into a range, which is where you have 21,000 on the downside, 21,600 on the upside. We may see some choppiness at higher levels, so we may spike up a bit, but expect some bit of a choppy behavior on the index at these levels. And then maybe after this, say a 3-day break, we may see a better trend going from Tuesday, Wednesday. Overall, the bias remains positive. And now the only case is you hold on to the Nifty and keep looking out for stock specific opportunities. And the index may not be a buy at current levels, only on dips.
Interesting. Because the index did not recover, did not exhibit the same strength as much as Bank Nifty was. And within the index also, it was HDFC Bank which was doing bulk of the heavy lifting apart from Reliance. So beyond Reliance, things are not moving in the index too. So might as well shift to particular stocks. But for a moment, just analyzing yesterday's trading action, Shilpa Rout is also here. Shilpa, I was looking at the FNO data. It appeared that bulk of yesterday's rebound actually was on the back of short covering, right? The FIDIs were, setting each other off yesterday. It was not that some big chunk of FI buy actually came in. So is that short covering fully exhausted, or do you see some part of it can play out today as well?
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for having me on the show. Talking about the FIS data, a little brief about it. We have been constantly seeing that the FIs have been increasing the net longs from 60 to 66% also as of yesterday. So, which means that there is some sort of buying happening. But of course, yesterday's data we saw there was, negative, there was selling in stock futures, which might as well, portray today in the trading session where we might see the individual stocks struggling a bit more than, the index levels. So yes, of course, little choppiness might be here, but of course, but the support, like we've seen yesterday, 21,000 was acting as a very strong one, and Bank Nifty also at 47,000. But Bank Nifty, we saw HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank, all the major frontliners, running up to the highs. So which means that Bank Nifty will have the strength today as to continue. So little cautious. Optimistically cautious, I would say, not negative bias. But yes, any declines that you get on the index for both the Nifty and Bank Nifty, that should be some sort of buying opportunities.